if you want fresh air without the bugs, but you don't want an ugly screen ruining the look of your door, a retractable screen is probably what you're looking for. We've been making and installing these for over 20 years, so let me break it down quick. A retractable screen rolls up into a housing on the side of your door frame. Pull it across when you need it, let it go when you don't. When it's retracted, most people don't even know it's there. That's the whole point. They work on entry doors, French doors, sliding patio doors, even large openings like bifolds. Basically, if you've got a doorway, there's a retractable screen that fits it. Now, here's what matters. The difference between a cheap retractable screen and a quality one is night and day. Cheap ones slam shut, jam, fall apart in 2 years. A good one operates smooth, looks clean, and comes with a lifetime warranty. DIY kits start around $150. Professionally installed, you're looking at $600 and up. That gets you a custom fit, color matching, and somebody who actually answers the phone if something goes wrong. 2 things to remember. Not all brands are equal, and the installer matters just as much as the product. Links in the description for the full buyer's guide. Brands. Let's talk brands real quick because they're not all the same. Phantom's the grandfather of the industry, durable, reliable, been around 30 plus years, but the look is dated. Industrial housing, open back, you can see the mesh rolled up from inside your house, and they're usually the most expensive. Mirage is similar. Same durability, same dated look, exposed screws, no back cover, less reliable network if you have issues later, like your dog running through the screens. We represent Apollo screens. It's the new modern solution to the classic retractable screen door. Metal handles that feel great, a more modern and sleek design with all the details accounted for. Casper, I'll be honest, we've ripped out more Casper screens than I can count. The bottom track collects dirt, the aluminum is thinner, and the mechanism doesn't hold up. And then there's the Costco screen, the Genius brand. Cheapest option, totally DIY, not a custom fit. You'll get a few years out of it. If you are looking for a budget option, it's what I would recommend. What to consider. A few other things before you buy, DIY or professional. If your door is standard and you're handy, DIY can work. But keep in mind things like French doors. Do you want a weird threshold where you may trip or damage something? If not, hire a pro. A bad install makes even a great screen feel like junk. And really don't cheap out on doors people actually see. Front entry, patio, spend the money. It sets the stage for your whole house. Side door to the garage, a budget option could work. That's about it for now. We have tons of content and comparison videos, so be sure to check them out, or you could just give us a call.
Apollo Screen and Shade. Don't forget to subscribe.